Hello, my name's Rob Lang from the Technical Hotline. Just going to give you some hints and tips. Western Power's recently started inspecting and issuing orders for power pole replacement across Perth and Western Australia. Why? In one simple word, rust. These poles must typically only last between 5 and 10 years, and it's thanks to moisture affecting the pole, usually through capillary action from the ground. The ground gets wet and moisture creeps up the pole, causing oxidisation and thus rusting the pole from the inside out. Don't worry, the cable inside and attached to the power pole is heavily insulated, so there shouldn't be any issues with electricity and rust. The issue with rust is a weakening of the power pole. Should it fall either on its own or by force, it creates a live wire hazard with live wires on the ground. This is how large-scale bushfires can start and destroy many homes or worse. However, it is important to note that the pole's replacement cost is not borne by Western Power. It is the responsibility of the homeowner of the lot. And if you're a contractor doing inspections, it may be wise to let the homeowner know that it is at their cost to avoid any arguments later.